Hi dears, welcome back to another mathematics class. Here we are starting our new chapter, that is time. I think you all know the importance of time, isn't it? And here we can see the watches, clocks, alarms, and for mobile phone, isn't it? We are using these materials, these things for saying or looking the time. Do you know how to say the time? Do you know how to read a time? Yes or no? Yes, I could hear some yes and some no. But no need to worry. In this class, we will study how to say a time. Okay, we all are going to study how to say the time very easily. Okay, so here I'm going to show one clock. This is a clock. Okay, this is a clock. So here a clock has, you can see, three needles. This is the long needle. This long needle is the minute hand, and this is the short needle. This short needle is showing the hour hand, and this thin needle is the second needle. Okay, so most of the clock has two needles. That is the minute needle and a minute hand and a hour hand. The long needle is the minute hand and the short needle is the hour hand. Understood? Yes. Then how we will say the time? Here you can see 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Isn't it? So actually these numbers are used to say the time. Okay. The numbers are used to say the hour hand and the minute hand. Okay. Then here look at this. So whenever we are looking a clock or a watch, okay, how you will see the time? So first you need to look at the hour hand. Okay, first you need to look at the hour hand. The short needle you need to look. Here which the short needle is here. The short needle is standing near which number? Yes, it's yes 6, isn't it? Pointed to 6. So we can write 6. Okay. Then you need to put the two dots. Okay, two. This is colon. So for separating the hour and minute, we are using these two dots. Okay. So 6. Okay. First we need to look at the hour hand. That is 6. Then we need to look at the minute hand. That is the long hand. Here look. The minute hand is leads to 1. Okay, so we can't write 1 minute. We can't write 1 minute. Whenever we are saying the minute, you need to multiply the number by 5 and say 1 into 5, 5. Okay, so it is 5 minutes. But 5 is a single digit. I already told you in the time we are using the second we are using as 2 digit only. So how we need to write it is 0, 5. So it is 6, 5. The time is 6, 5. Okay, so just to look at your clock, what's the time now? Okay, you can also see the two needles in your clock also. All of you, please look at your clock. You can see the two needles, no? Okay, so you can see the minute hand, that is the long needle, and the short hand, that is the hour needle. By using these two needles, we can see the time very, very easily. Okay, then let me draw the clock. So listen here, and how we will draw the clock. Okay, so you can use compass or any circular thing to make the circle. Okay, so circle. I'm going to draw one clock. Yes. So actually, I think this is the center of the circle. Okay, I think this is the center of the circle. And first we need to mark 12, 3, 6, 9. First all of you should mark. Okay, 12, 6, 3, 9. Then after that inside we can write 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so the time is already, the clock is already clear. I'm going to draw the needle. You need to say the time. I'm going to draw the needle. Okay, so suppose the needle is Here, this is the short needle. Okay. This is the long needle. How you will say the time? How you will see the time? What is the time now? Somebody is asking that, what is the time now? How you will say? I already told you, whenever you are getting a clock, first you have to look at this hour hand, the short needle. The short needle is pointed to the in between 4 and 5. The short needle is pointed in between the 4 and 5. So whenever this is coming in between, you need to take the less number, the smallest number you need to say. So it is 4. So we can say 4. Okay. And we need to put a colon. That is 2 dots. Okay. It is 4. Then you have to look at the minute hand. So this is long hand is called a minute hand. Minute hand is, it is with the 8th, pointed to 8th. So I told you, whenever you are saying the minutes, you need to multiply by 5. So 8 into 5. What is the answer? 8 into 5. We already studied the multiplication table now. 8 5s are 40. So the answer is 4:40. The time is 4:40. The time is 4:44 hour and 40 minutes. Clear? Okay, one more example. Okay, all of you want to do say you are on. Okay. Shorthand, long hand. Okay, shorthand and long hand. Okay, so how we will start saying this time? What we want to do the first? Yes, look here. Yes, the shorthand is in between 11 and 12. So we need to take the smallest number 11. So hour is 11. Okay, shorthand is means hour. Then look at the minute hand. Minute hand, the long hand is pointed to 5. 5, 11, 5. Is it correct? No. We need to multiply this 5 into 5. Whenever we are saying the minute, you need to multiply that number with the 5. 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 11:25. So the answer is 11:25. The time is 11:25. Why the teacher is every time teacher is multiplied by 5? Why teacher? There is a doubt now. Yes, it is because here in between one. Okay, in between this we can see 5 minutes. Okay, whenever the needle is moving to this point to this number, it is 5 minutes. It is moves to 5 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute and 5 minutes. Okay, whenever the needle is moving, okay, whenever the needle reaches 12 to 1, it moves 5 minutes. Okay, so in between the numbers there is some minutes are there. Okay, so in between each one we can say it is 5 minutes. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, it is 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25, like that. So in between all the numbers we can see minutes. Okay, in between two numbers we can see 5 minutes. Okay, so it is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. Okay, whenever it is 60 minutes, okay, whenever 60 minutes has come, that is equal to 1 hour. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That's why teacher is multiplying by 5. Easily we can do by multiplying by 5. So I think now it is very easy to say the time. Okay, so you want to look at your clock and find out the time now. Okay, what's the time now? You just find out the time now. So please practice more, then only it will be easy. Okay, so within 1 or 2 seconds you can't do it, but you practice. Okay, again and again you look at the clock and watch and you find out the time. But in nowadays you can get the watches. It is okay, digital watch. The time is already printed there. Okay, it is already given there. So no, it is very easy. No need to say the needle and all. It is normally, commonly it is given there. 9:45, it is given 9:45. So no need to look at the needles and all. But you have to study how to look at the clock. It is very, very important in your future. So study now itself. Okay, it is so easy. Look at the shorthand first, then write down that as a hour hand. And then second you need to look at the long hand. Long hand, it is we have to multiply by 5 and say the minute. Okay, so only this much. Then it is very, very easy to write the time. Okay, so you need to complete the first exercise on the textbook and we will discuss everything during our live session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.